Hello guys, so after a lot of research I ordered myself this Digitek lightweight DV tripod DTR 550LW. I'll share the link of the product in the description. So to start with, this can hold a maximum load of up to 5 kgs. The maximum height of this tripod can go up to 5.57 feet. The folded height is approx 615 mm, which is around 2 feet. The maximum tube diameter is 26.5 mm, the minimum diameter is 20 mm. The weight of this tripod is 1.2 kgs, and there are 3 sections to this tripod. We will get to all of these details. The other features that this tripod has are 3-way head. Basically it lets you shoot, pan and the tilt videos. Sturdy rubberized legs so that they don't skid in heavy wind. Convenient accessories hook, so you can hang anything below the tripod. We will take a look at it where it is situated on the tripod, but you can hang anything at below the tripod. For example, it comes with a bag. If you look at this bag, it is a pretty good quality bag where you can easily carry this tripod with. So you can hang this bag at the bottom of the tripod. I'll show you how. There is 360-degree hand grip, which basically lets you shoot, pan and tilt videos. So you can see this is the one. There is multi-purpose attachment for iPhone. Basically you can shoot horizontal and vertical videos with iPhone, so you can shoot YouTube shorts or even Instagram reels, and as well as long form videos. The multi-purpose head for vertical and horizontal shoot, which is basically the head we are going to talk about. I want to highlight that the mobile phone holder actually comes within the tripod, so you don't need to buy a new one, which is this. So you will screw this up on top of the iPod and tripod like this. You can screw it up, and depending on how you are putting your mobile, you can shoot your videos. So now I have opened the tripod. The way I have opened it is, you open this flap and pull the rod down. Similarly, there is a flap here. Open this flap, pull the rod down as much as you want, and then close the flap so that they stick. And this is how you would open the tripod. Now if you can see, there is a hook here which I was talking about. What you can do at the very least is, you can hang the bag that came with the tripod and it will be hung like that. Moving on, we have a we have a holder here which you can use to easily carry tripod even in the open form. So they have given this tripod stand holder. Now you can, so this is not the 5.57 feet to which this tripod can go. You can actually pull this rod up. The way you will pull it up is through this lever, but to make this lever move, you have to loose this screw. So we are going to loose this screw, and then we are going to rotate this. So now, as you can see, it is now moving up. So once it reaches a height that you need, you can tighten this screw back up, and so that it doesn't fall down. Otherwise it might fall down. Since I'm shooting this from the other hand, I'll just put it here. So considering this as the full height, this will be 5.57 feet, which is, I think, more than enough for almost every purpose. Okay, so as you can see, this is the grip for shooting the horizontal shots and vertical shots. So if you can see, this is, if you take bottom to top, top to bottom, vertical shots, and you can shoot pan shots like this. On the left side, as you can see, there is this green liquid is there where there is a bubble. This is for leveling your tripod. So the bubble in the center means your tripod is leveled perfectly with the ground, so that you can make leveled shots. Other than that, we have this removable mount which you can remove and screw your phone holder that came with the tripod. Now before I show you how to take it out, I let me explain how to do it. You need to pull it, this one, you need to pull this out Once you have pulled it out, you need to just pull this top thing up so that it can be taken out for the mobile phone holder. So let me just take it out now and put the mobile and explain you how to put the mobile phone holder. So we have taken this out. Now let me put the mobile phone holder. The way you would put the mobile phone holder is, mobile phone holder also comes with a hole which goes into this screw. The way you would tighten the screw is from behind through this. So you'll thread the screw into this hole. So let me do it and then put it back on for you guys. So if you see, I screwed it up. So what we can do now is we can put it back on here, and the way we can do is again the same. We will just put it out and then slip it back in. So we have put it back on, and I have put on my phone bank charger. Imagine this is a cell phone. Other than that is, now this is for horizontal landscape videos, not if you want to shoot portrait. For that they have given this lock. What you can do is you can loosen it up and then you can basically move this up. So you lose it and then you tilt this here, and once you tilt it here, your phone will become available for vertical video shooting, which is for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels or whatnot. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just one thing I would like to mention is that it can only hold a maximum weight of 5 kgs. So if you have something which is heavier than 5 kg like your DSLR or something, that this might not be the best choice. But so far this looks pretty good. The build quality is pretty good. The product seems to me pretty good. I am yet to use it outside. I have not used it outside, but from what I have researched online, it works pretty well outside as well. I would recommend to buy it if shooting overhead videos is not your priority, but your horizontal and vertical shoots are enough for you. I myself shoot unboxing videos, so I would like to use a tripod which can actually support an overhead mount. So I have ordered a different model of Digitek, and I'll make a video for that. So please like and subscribe to my channel to know about that. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.